Your Ford Escape suddenly refuses to shift into park, leaving you stranded or dealing with a massive rollaway risk. You move the shifter inside the cabin, but the transmission stays locked in drive or neutral. This is a highly documented failure across multiple generations of the Escape. The root cause is a tiny piece of plastic located where the shifter cable connects to the transmission lever. Ford used a factory plastic bushing that becomes brittle over time due to intense engine heat and basic wear. Eventually, that brittle plastic shatters completely, causing the cable to fall right off the transmission pin. When you take this issue to a dealership, they will usually give you a massive repair bill. Ford does not sell that tiny replacement bushing as a standalone part. They will insist on replacing the entire shifter cable assembly, which takes hours of labor and costs hundreds of dollars. You can completely bypass that massive bill with a $25 aftermarket polymer bushing kit. These upgraded kits are designed specifically to replace the shattered factory piece without requiring a new cable. The polymer material is far more resistant to engine heat and chemical breakdown than the original plastic. Before you start working, you must chock the wheels of the vehicle securely and engage the parking brake. Since the transmission is physically disconnected from the shifter, the vehicle can easily roll over you while you are underneath the hood. Locate the end of the shift cable resting near the transmission lever and wipe away any remaining plastic fragments from the metal pin. Take your new polymer bushing and line it up directly over the open eyelet of the shifter cable. You can use a pair of slip-joint pliers to apply even pressure and squeeze the new bushing right into the cable housing. It should pop into place with a firm click and sit completely flush inside the metal ring. Once the bushing is seated inside the cable, apply a small dab of the silicone grease included with your kit directly onto the bare transmission pin. Grab the cable housing, line the new bushing up with the greased transmission pin, and push down firmly with your thumb. The cable will snap securely onto the lever. Get into the driver's seat and slowly cycle the shifter through every single gear to ensure the transmission is engaging properly. The new connection will feel tight, secure, and permanent. You just saved yourself hundreds of dollars and fixed one of the most annoying flaws on the Ford Escape.